Mike Innovative Door, 20 by 10. Oh, we did the neighbor's door too. 20 by 10 here. We had a cable off. And this is kind of a different type setup here where they did a 20 by 10 with a jack shaft on the side. We just re-put a bearing plate and some angle up there to reinforce it, some new hinges, and oiled the snot out of this guy and put some couple extra screws here and there, and fixed this door up nice. And we left it up about 9 feet because the biggest car he's got is like one of those. So 20 by 10 garage door fixed. Even though this is a resident house, we fix all residential and commercial doors. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching our 20 by 10 jack shaft door and a clope door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.